Okay, real quick video of how to take off or put on the front tire on a Honda CBR 500R. This is 2013. Did a fork seal change, so we need to realign the forks. Just do that real quick with your axle itself. Okay, make sure it's nice and straight. Your wheel has little spacers. Make sure you don't lose those. Make sure they're aligned correctly. Both sides. Your axle has threaded on one side and it's fatter on the other, so make sure you got your forks on the right side. And then your threads on the correct side too, left and right, so threads go on the outside here. It's pretty simple. Get the tire up. Thread your bolt through. I know you can't see it on this other side, but that's alright. It's pretty basic. Just thread the axle through there. And then you'll tighten it down to Honda specs, whatever that may be. This axle takes a pretty big Allen. It is a 17 millimeter. Go ahead and torque that down to whatever it's supposed to be. We'll just do it real quick. I'll finish this up later. Your brake caliper, you don't need, when you're taking it apart, you don't need to bleed them or nothing like that. They just quickly slip off. I'll stay out of the way of the camera here. But you got two brake calipers. They go in between your rotor. They slip up, and it just takes two bolts. Thread them in, one there and one there. And that's basically it right there. You got your reflector that mounts on back here, no problem. And you can put your reflector on the other side. One other thing real quick, it has a pinch bolt to, when you finally get this cinched down where you want everything, it's got a pinch bolt right below the axle. And to take it apart, just take this thing out first, unscrew everything, take the wheel off. It's pretty simple. There you go.